AI is no longer just about generating images, it's now transforming the way we create and edit videos. Traditional editing can take hours, but with AI-powered tools, you can cut, enhance, and even generate videos in just a few clicks. In this video, I'll take you through the top 10 AI video editing websites in 2025. Whether you're a YouTuber, filmmaker, business owner, or social media creator, these tools can save you time and give your videos a professional touch. Let's start with Runway ML. This is one of the most advanced AI video platforms available today. Runway allows you to generate videos from text, remove objects from clips, change backgrounds without a green screen, and even apply unique cinematic effects. Filmmakers love Runway because it gives them creative freedom without requiring huge budgets. If you want to experiment with futuristic video editing, Runway ML is a must-try. Next is Pika Labs, another rising star in the AI video world. Pika specializes in turning simple text prompts into short, animated clips. You can add motion effects, transitions, and cinematic camera movements, all created by AI. It's perfect if you want to bring your creative ideas to life quickly, especially for social media or storytelling. Number 3 is Synthesia, which is widely used by businesses. This tool allows you to create videos with realistic AI avatars that speak in over 120 languages. All you need to do is type your script, and the AI generates a professional-looking presenter video. It's great for corporate training, explainer videos, or marketing content, and it saves the cost of hiring actors or recording equipment. At number 4, we have Descript. This tool is especially useful for YouTubers and podcasters. Descript lets you edit videos simply by editing the transcript. If you delete a word in the text, it's deleted in the video too. It also removes filler words, generates captions, and even allows voiceover dubbing. For anyone creating educational or commentary content, Descript makes editing as easy as writing in a Word document. Moving on to Capwing, a favorite among social media creators. Capwing is an all-in-one online editor that uses AI to auto-generate captions, remove backgrounds, and repurpose long videos into short clips for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. If you want quick, trendy content without complex editing, Capwing is your go-to tool. Number 6 is V.io, another beginner-friendly editor. It provides AI-powered features like automatic subtitles, background noise removal, and even AI avatars for talking head videos. V.io is especially popular among influencers and small creators who want professional-looking content without spending hours editing. Next, we have Wisecut. This tool is designed for YouTubers and educators who record long videos. Wisecut automatically removes silences, adds background music, and generates subtitles. It even suggests smart cuts to keep your video engaging. Imagine recording a 30-minute tutorial and having AI turn it into a polished, professional video within minutes. That's the power of Wisecut. At number 8, we have Magisto, developed by Vimeo. Magisto takes raw footage and automatically edits it into a complete video with music, transitions, and effects. You simply choose a style, upload your clips, and the AI does the rest. It's a quick solution for businesses and marketers who want polished content without hiring an editor. Number 9 is Lumen 5, which is very popular with marketers and bloggers. Lumen 5 can turn blog posts or articles into engaging videos by combining AI-generated visuals, stock footage, and text overlays. For businesses that want to repurpose written content into video format, Lumen 5 is one of the best tools out there. And finally, we have InVideo AI. This platform allows you to generate entire videos just by typing a prompt. It automatically creates scenes, adds voiceovers, and uses templates designed for ads, promotions, and social media content. For businesses and creators who want speed and convenience, InVideo AI is a solid choice. So these were the top 10 AI video editing websites in 2025. If you're a filmmaker, Runway ML and Pika Labs will give you the most creative freedom. If you're a business, Synthesia, Lumen 5, and InVideo AI are the best for professional presentations and marketing. And if you're a YouTuber or influencer, tools like Descript, Capwing, V.io, and Wisecut will save you hours of editing. Which one of these AI video editors do you think you'll try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on AI and tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.